So one of our crews that are installing shakes, and Antonio is our crew chief. He examines each shake and applies the stainless steel fastener. We're using a half finger width between the shakes. In Oregon we have a lot of debris and a lot of moisture, and this allows the shakes to dry out better, and for us to be able to compressor blow off the debris, you need to have space between the shakes. You'll notice how he's lacing the shakes into the Feltex underlayment. It's over the one layer and 4 inches under the layer above it. This gives a weaving effect that allows the roof to wick the moisture off and keep itself healthy. We always follow safety procedures. We have all of our men are tethered to permanent anchors on the hip of the roof above, and then when we're done we use that exact same anchor to put a permanent anchor on all of our roofs, because we believe that a maintained roof will look better, last longer, and will work better to bring you more peace of mind than a roof that's neglected. So we automatically include safety hooks on all of our roofs.